Hey everyone, we're going to make lockdown lasagna, Brenton style. Here we go. First up, we're going to need some flour and some eggs. Alright, first up, grab a bit of flour, rub it into your hands. This will stop the dough from sticking, hopefully, when we make it. Alright, make a well in the centre. Don't have to be too fussy, just make it however. It's my cat. Crack the eggs in. I'm actually throwing them in a bin, I'm not just throwing them on the floor. Just hold the flour here, right next to you. You also lose the fork, but you don't know how you give it a bit of a roll. Whack it in the fridge. Done. Alright, pasta dough's in the fridge. Let's get some ingredients happening. Alright, here we go. We've got the broccoli. Don't be ashamed to use any vegetables. It's lasagna. There's literally vegetarian lasagnas. So anyway, we got tomato, we got diced onion, we got some parsley, we got some beef mince. You can use pork as well if you'd like. It's up to you. We've got a bit of butter, actually a lot of butter. Like it's for a bechamel sauce. It's literally a butter sauce. So you just have to have lots of butter. We've got some diced carrot, and we've got some tasty cheese. Could be mozzarella, but I just prefer tasty, so it's up to you. And we've got a bit of parmesan cheese. Alright, let's get to cooking. Next step, so we've got some olive oil in here. Flame on, it's already pretty hot. We're going to chuck in some carrot. We've actually got a little bit of broccoli stem in there. Best part of the broccoli for you. And it's lasagna, so it doesn't really matter too much. The veggies you chuck in, you've got some diced onion. Chuck that in. And some mince. Chuck this in. And break it up just a little bit and give it a good stir around. Alright, so the mince, broccoli, stem, carrot and onion are all browning off quite nicely. Give it a good stir. We're going to add some water to the broccoli just to blanch it a little bit. The mince is browning, onions kind of see-through. We have the diced tomatoes. 2 cans of that should do it. 2. Make sure the heat's on high. Tomatoes, chuck them in. We've got to have blanched broccoli. We're going to start making the bechamel sauce. Bang this butter in and just make sure you don't burn it. Just put it on a low heat. Alright, so next step is the pasta. While that's cooking, we're going to get some flour on here and roll it. Sauce is cooking away nicely. We've got the butters quite heated up, so we better get this milk and flour mixture in there. So let's tip the milk into there. What we want to do is make this into a paste. Give it a good stir to combine all the ingredients. You're going to have to keep a good eye on this, stirring this regularly. First up, we're going to add cheese. A bit of beef stock. Hopefully you preheated your oven. We're going to put a bit of garlic in here. Parsley, always one of the last steps, fresh herbs. As you saw, grab it from the garden. Bit of chilli. A little bit of nutmeg, salt, bit of pepper. Right now, the important stage. Let's give them a taste.
You want to serve it 20 minutes, that's nice. Then I'll take some pasta. Good. Salty and healthy. That's what we want. It's so burning, so. Let's have the pasta. Every minute. Go to the bench. That's it.
Alright, one of the last steps. We're on the home stretch now. We're gonna, I've cut most of this pasta already, but I just do it with scissors, nice and easy, cut it in thirds. I like to put a bit of bechamel on the bottom. Now we're going to do a heap of layers of meat sauce, and when we get to the top, we're going to put some more pasta and then a layer on the rest of that. Right, so we're going to do a ton of this. Arms on top. Our lasagna is ready. Moment of truth. Let's see how good it looks. Right, get these bad boys off. Thanks for watching.